Assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan Ahmad, President and founder of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. Now I will discuss about world politics. I have given these titles from the renowned Britain newspaper, The Telegraph. Republicans are mum as Trump turns toward Russia land against Ukraine. Republicans have largely deferred to President Trump as he topples what were once their party's core foreign policy principles. I want to make the world great. That's why I am working for that. I am in Bangladesh. I am teaching rural people, rural student and marginalized people who cannot get the light of education. Now I am working 40 or 50 school and I speed education among 20 or 30,000 students, and it is my vision to ensure education for all people of the world. That's why I am working for that, like Hazrat Muhammad Sallam, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Hazrat Isha alayhi salam, and Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, Hazrat Noah alayhi salam, Hazrat Hud alayhi salam, Hazrat Lut alayhi salam. I want to make the world great.